Hyundai revealed the third custom machine that will grace its display at the SEMA show this year. It's a Veloster Turbo that Hyundai describes as race-ready, and was built in collaboration with Gurnade Incorporated, a design company that does graphic and website design and automotive renders. As far as making it race-ready, Hyundai and Gurnade gave this Veloster a new intercooler, downpipe, cold air intake and ECU tune courtesy of 845 Motorsports. It also received a new catback exhaust and blow-off valve. The chassis has been reinforced with a variety of braces from Pierce Motorsports, and Neo Motorsports contributed the coilover suspension and bigger brakes with 6-piston calipers. SEMA cars need show as well as go, so the company's added 19-inch rotiform wheels, massive fender flares, a custom grille, a carbon fiber hood and hatch and, of course, spoilers. All of which are covered in a PPG paint called Magic Magenta. Inside, the Veloster Turbo features racing seats and a roll cage. The interior also received some less-than-race-ready modifications, including an upgraded audio system complete with subwoofer and amplifier. While this is by no means an unimpressive car, this Veloster Turbo will unfortunately have to share the stage with some truly wild creations. These include a beefed-up, off-road Santa Fe, and the absolutely insane 1,040 horsepower, rear-wheel drive Santa Fe built by Bisimoto. However, the Veloster Turbo gives a more realistic look at what people can create with a new Hyundai, thanks to its off-the-shelf parts.